Hello guys, how are you? My name is SGP. Kana kuti sekuru gudo picture. Welcome to another episode. Of course, munoziva kuti tinenge tichikuunzirai uchi kana kuti the best. Yes, I'm talking about vanhu vanoziva zvavanoita. This is why on the program today I have a very special guest and I am going to surprise you. His name is you can tell them yourself.
Yo, I'm Shisha, not on leaf. What is that? Not on leaf, but tirima leaf. Achanodhura kuwana pageto.
Burungozvoona kuti pa screen pedapo pane mashizha. I don't know, maybe he is one of those leaves right there. But we are going to find out a lot in this interview as we go. Tichinzwa kuti chii chinombonzi shizha, ndiani anonzi shizha, zviri kumbofamba sei. Can you explain kuti stari kuti shizha irakabva papi? How did it all started?
Pana we shizha iri inyoti arinongomuka rangu wapo. I remember another day ndakarohwa nezvidhoma. So that day ndakatozonzi mukomana uyu amutswa neshizha.
What are you talking about? Okay, go on.
Mazisekuru vaka-experience zvinhu zvakawanda.
Are you saying kuti wakarohwa nezvidhoma chaizvo?
Zvakatondikwapaiza
zvidhoma
chaizvo toti taropodza tatonofushirwa.
I can't believe this, guys. Do you believe what this man is saying? Okay, let's find out more. So what happened after this experience? Watiwo wakazomutswa nechi? Andaunyatsopanzwisisa.
Inyaya kuti kuleka vakazopisa mashizha ndomatsauro nguva zvinoitwa. Vakazopisa mashizha echiyembanje.
Okay.
Saka tinge zvidhoma zvacho hazvinga zvishiri ndizvobva zvatiza.
Okay.
Asi handokumuka kwandakatozoita. So the time ndakazotanga kuto music. Ndasangana ne-this other guy ainzi Tinashe, but okay. He was it was in Norton. Takulingana na King Fidelis. That guy with Tangai Bawa and stuff, you know.
Okay.
So
after from that experience, it's like wakatorwa. It's like wakatorwa nama aliens.
Cool, you know what?
How's alien?
Maya, I know to tumira madzini.
Yeah, sure it happens, especially when the evil, ikaona kuti there is something good on this person, it tries by all means to to disturb. Anyway, moving on forward. Wherever you are a rapper, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us more. Why did you choose this genre rap? Usina kuita zim dance, usina kuita gospel, usina kuita rock. Why did you choose rap music?
I don't know. I remember pandakaenda studio tiri kunotoni. Pane mukomana ainzi Shona Boy. Angari producer.
Okay, this Shona Boy ariko mazuva oro.
It's not that one.
Okay, it's another one. Maybe it's the original.
The original one. That one.
Okay,
that one
not this.
I don't know where he is or what he is doing right now. But
okay.
Yeah, so we went to the studio, I think 2014, and with Tinashe, that guy I'm talking about, and with Tinashe I went to studio, tine instrumental, rangarato imbwana na iridimuro rakaimbwana na Christo.
It was Danzo.
Yeah, it was Danzo.
Okay.
So we went to the studio and Shona Boy, he put on the beat and all the stuff.
And he started doing
to recording, you know. But I couldn't record anything, and I don't want to lie. And
what happened?
I couldn't. My voice couldn't come up.
Okay. Yeah, I know. The fear and
you know, and I was like,
you panicked.
Somebody who got a blood pressure, you know. So I couldn't do anything.
I know just the feeling.
No, my guy, he just heard the song, and yeah. So he did record the song, and
okay.
But
that is very, very interesting. So which means this journey of yours started in Norton.
In Norton, yes.
I see. So far, how far have you gone Like how many years have you been in this, doing this rap thing?
Yeah, since 2014, like I said, I didn't quit music, but I was just doing it, practicing myself. Like,
Okay, like taking
I don't
your
wanna.
time. You didn't want to rush.
I didn't want to put anything on the social media. Like, I was
Okay.
one. Even when I go to studio, I have to pay money, but I was not paying money so
Yeah, I know the
to
logistics.
market myself, but I was paying money to train myself. So I was
Okay,
training
okay.
myself. Like now, I can tell that
You are confident. You are sure now
big
that you
time.
can do the thing. Okay, that
Big
is very,
time.
very interesting. That is very, very interesting. So, like, did you have my songs like Akamboenda, like FM and all that stuff?
Yeah, the time I did try it on 2015. It was
Okay.
in February month, like today. Ndoenda ndakaenda ku ZBC yanga ku YGT.
Okay, like
Yeah.
today as in
Today,
for the date, like
Yeah,
today.
today.
So this is your anniversary.
So
Okay,
takaenda
okay.
paZTV tine song yedu ndaita na Lieberman Magaya.
Okay.
So na Lieberman takaita song and Fly Me to the Moon.
Okay.
And that song was dope. I don't want to lie. We was feeling it together, like,
Uh-huh.
and we did wrote it in the mountain. We went out to write the song. And
Okay,
yeah,
like
so,
to a quiet place to
yeah,
meditate.
yeah.
Okay.
And we did go there. With,
How did like people receive it? Like after you did the recording, how did people receive it? Like your G's.
Yeah, the track was dope. Everybody was like surprised with the track, and even Prometheus, he was also happy with it.
I see. I think I know Prometheus. Prometheus aisambogara kumasasa iri. I don't know. But you're talking about Angaruko. Okay.
ZBC,
So I think
like,
when I knew him, he was in Harare now. I don't know. Prometheus was YGT, and it.
YGT, yes,
Yeah. I remember. I remember a friend of mine actually arranged to attend YGT. Actually, couldn't face what kind of Prometheus. Saka it rings a bell now. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that what happened. So we went there and recorded the track, and we did we won number 2.
You
There's
took number 2?
We took number 2, and there's another guy was called I don't know that guy. I'm forgetting about his name, but he also not. He's coming from where that guy from. Who's that one? Wakurora mukadzi akakurisa. Nox.
Watanga kudakukonzeresa kuti. Akove mapicture aya by the way. Ameno zvakaita camera acho akuna camera settings. I think people made a mistake there pakutaura kuti mukadzi waNox akakurisa. Because akazoona amwe maphotos akazotorwa naye Nox. Anga dope, I can tell you my bro. I can tell you.
Yeah, but cool. Isiri nyaya yekuti kukurisa, suta nyaya kukura iri paganda. Kuzichembere mukadzi toziya.
Are you saying, do you know this woman personally or you are just speculating?
Anyautika.
Agetoitsika endai munoona zvinhu muri panzvimbo. Okay, let's leave that one. Otherwise, ticharohwa pano. Ina handina mazina averakoyo. Ina ako akashota. Kudhaya.
Alright, agatisi.
Saka I have nothing to lose. Okay. So this is very, very interesting. So far, maita my albums, my singles, maita how many songs right now to your name?
Right now, I'm saying this 2025 is my first year to step up for myself in the music industry.
Okay.
Like I said, yeah, I was not rushing all the time, but now I have to push the game.
I get it.
Yeah, and I need also
what do you need, like what do you need to do exactly?
Okay, like now I have to focus on releasing my singles.
Okay.
I did with Sekurugudo and
Okay. Yeah, by the way, I was going to mention that, but anyway, let me just mention it because I've been working with Shisha on project which has got something like 3 songs on it. By the way, I'm letting out the cat now. But anyway, it is what it is, and it is coming. And the other thing also that I think you should give us something like freestyles, man. Give us something, you know what I'm saying? Can you give us something? Because people out there, they want to hear you doing your thing. Maybe no one going to freestyle which is which. What do you think about that?
Yeah, freestyle inobuda tu hapa boze atingawasiwa ine nyota.
Okay.
Siwezi kuwa hapa
So chimbotipa ma rap lines akwa unotemba nawo anotora mapepa aya amawana.
Yeah, I get boze freestyle kakule.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
When you're ready, let me know. I'll be waiting. And
I'm waiting. I'm always ready. I don't have time to waste.
We are waiting for this guy. Okay. So show us some talent, man.
Yeah. Like I say, damn, I love you so much, girl. You're so godly, and I'm a devil. You got the perfect life going. And my last of stick cat, I'm fighting to join me, and I put blindfold on you, so you'll see I'm taking you. By the time you wake up, it's gonna be too late. It's gonna be too late. You'll be affected with my virus. You'll be one of us. I'm a fucking monster. I'm a fucking devil. I'm taking to my crib in hell. You'll be my she devil. I swear I'm gonna get you pregnant, so you bear devilings. Yeah. Damn.
Did I hear something like devil?
Yeah, but it's not me. I know I'm
guys,
devil. That's not my own.
I'm a satanist. When I'm a satanist, Illuminati. Unaita zve Illuminati. Vamwe vanoda kujoina.
Maya.
Okay. Angori my lyrics. Tingangoti angori just lyrics.
Na uripo baba inyoti kana uri poverty, you understand? You be devil because everybody hates you. Like then nobody wanna be like.
I understand.
So yeah, you're the devil. That's why I'm asking this girl now to be my she devil.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't even pay attention. I'm so broke.
I really, and I'm very, very interested in the way that you rap. I see you are like a fast rapper, like you are on a on a racing bike.
You know, sometimes, sometimes you don't have to be like,
So tell me something. Who inspired you, by the way, to start, rapping? Did you get inspiration from someone like local in Zimbabwe, local in Africa, like South Africa, or you were inspired by somebody from overseas, like from the US?
Yeah, I was inspired by Snoop Dogg and
Snoop Doggy.
Yeah, dog. Yeah.
Okay.
So the dog is the one that inspired me, and yeah.
Okay. I get it. So you were inspired by Snoop. Snoop and my baby.
Nembanje futhi.
Chibaba. Snoop ayikho kudoko kwakhe uku kunesidodaka nezvakadaro hayi. Kumashisha. I'm starting to understand now why you chose the name Shisha, because Snoop nemashisha aiwa basiyana nebhandi nebhurugwa chaizvo. Saka ndahamba ma challenges so far awati wasangana nawo ever since you started your journey as a rapper.
My challenges are when tatisa music industry yemuZimbabwe. Nyika medu, it's like to tariswe uonekwe as a rapper. It's gonna take some years.
It's gonna take like some time. You need something like connections, right? Or
it's a lot of connections you need to have, and
it's just a matter of time.
No, you need to have money. You must have money. Yeah.
Everything is about money. Money talks. money talks.
But you know, there's any wrong with it. I don't have to like to pick a Gucci or something like.
Do you believe
labels,
so?
Like, I don't have.
There's a lot of competition, by the way, in the genre you choose, especially bling bling.
I don't do that. You know, I wanna be myself. You know,
It's a Gucci like your glasses, like your.
My glasses are super costed that much, but.
Ukomana ara kuti furira kuti tisapfeke Gucci ara kupfeka ega. I'm telling you, ukaza kwarira wakomana ara kwaenda kutochena vega ndo zvandakatozora iwe unoti apa una mazina apa uri kuencourage kuti usaite chase matrends latest fashion so
chinoitika kule iye kuti zvinge zviri pauwe zvafanira right now maglasses ndakatopfeka inongopedza kana 5 hours now.
Okay,
but vakatongosvika vanenge vaitoti abvisa tiita kuita zvimwe after that. So,
yeah, I get it.
Zvinge zviri pawo ndo zvinotokuudza zvokuita at the same time.
So
yeah, you know.
I understand. I'm getting it now. I'm beginning to understand actually. So this is a very, very interesting discussion we are having here. I'm in the building with the gentleman Anonzi Shija, the rapper. Shija is a rapper, and he told us, Padatanga, our conversation, I thought something happened to him when he was still young, or something like he was attacked by, Shishiri. I don't know if you know the Shishiri kwenye kwa mnoba. So kuti atozo recover kana survive from that incident. It is kutoshandiswa kwakaitwa Shija, which is something like a herb, right?
Yeah.
Kuti
yeah. It's a herb.
So that is a very, very interesting start for this gentleman, and I'm really happy with Nanasi. He is still alive and kicking and doing his thing like Ryan Godakwita in the beginning. And I can tell you, he is now more confident than before because he has been lying low for so long, and now he has he is looking forward to release these 3 singles. So we will judge from there. If you want to judge, I think you better start from there. Then you tell your boy Kuti my levels Aramira 1-1. So is there something that you want to tell us concerning 2025? What are your plans for 2025?
2025, I'll be releasing these 3 first tracks. Yeah. So after that, I'll be working with an album. But I want to prove myself that I'm an artist. I'm not limited artist. Like, I'm an unlimited person. I'm an unlimited artist. So I'll be putting many different
things out there,
beats and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be working with the Sekuru Gudo Rakare album. So we need it to be
serious about this thing. Anyway, guys, that is Shija there, the rapper. It is only that we don't have calls. We are not taking calls today, but when we meet the next time, I will make sure that we take some calls so you can actually talk to him himself and ask some questions, whether you want to know something about him that we didn't talk about today. Then you will be actually calling him live so you can actually talk to the man and hear it yourself from the horse's mouth. So this is a very, very interesting interview we are doing right now with Shija the rapper, who is currently based in you are currently based in
Cape Town.
In Cape Town,
SA. Yeah.
Okay, so Shija is currently based in South Africa. So it means if you come to South Africa, you have an opportunity to bump into him. Maybe I'm not gonna go kutengero 1 or 2 mabombi.
Yeah.
So my baby, you would say Shija is your man.
He's
Anopedza basa, anopedza masports. I'm really happy, bro, that you sacrificed your time to come here and we discussed one or two, three things. Is there something else that you would love to share before I ask you if you are present on social media?
Yeah, what I can say is this: if you want to do something, don't hesitate, just go for it, do it. And what I'm gonna tell also another rappers, I wanna tell them, I'm not gonna remove my crown to make them feel comfortable in the industry. So I want them to get ready, and you know what I'm saying. And I want this kids to band. I want their ass to band, bro, every time.
So you have to be strong, because the crown has been put in position of somebody who doesn't want with it at all. So you have to fight harder for you to
so
get
far, it. I don't need any on my music. I'm not like other rappers who's there in film, like Holy 10. Holy 10, yeah. Holy 10 is a good rapper. I know Holy 10. The thing is, Holy 10 love songs. You can do it better, but only with him. I think
it's not me.
Yeah. So Holy, he must be careful now. But in this game, I'm here. I'm behind.
Holy has my sports.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Be careful. Don't relax.
Exactly.
Don't relax too much. Otherwise, you're not a crown. So, are you present on social media, like on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and all other social platforms?
Yeah, I'm available on TikTok, Shisha the rapper, Instagram, Shisha the rapper, in Facebook, Shisha the rapper, and also on Telegram. Yeah, I'm all over. And
you are everywhere.
Yeah.
That is a very good thing to be doing, because people, you never know where you are going to get your next fan, your follower and all that stuff. So do you do anything some videos, like those short format videos on TikTok and all that stuff? Like, what are the artists are doing? They're trying, to get their music out there. What are you doing to reach your followers on this
now
platforms?
I was not doing anything. Yeah, I was not pushing anything.
Okay.
Just
so you are going to start pushing from these 3
now,
singles.
Now I'm starting my journey now.
Okay, I feel you.
I'm ready. Yeah,
I feel you. Okay. That is very, very interesting. So before we close this program today, I just want to know kuti favorite label rehembe raunofarira yoshisha nderipi iseotikere kana kuti ijapa hotel.
So far inini hangu panyaya dzehembe.
Yeah, when it comes to brands, I'm talking about brands.
Yeah, I get what you say, but like I said before,
are you a Nike person? Are you a Puma and Adidas person, a Gucci person, or a Louis Vuitton?
Yeah, I was going to go by my Gucci and stuff. My labels, I think it's to do my admire because my owners actually push brand to it. But in Zango and the Fari, because I don't know what's behind the thing.
What is behind that?
Yeah. So
you are a superstitious person.
Exactly. So I don't know. I'm not gonna play in it wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. But
Jerry Babu, also I want to ask this question, which is very, very sensitive. I don't know if you can allow me to.
Yeah.
Are you a Christian, or you are a Muslim, or you are none of those?
I'm a Christian. I'm a Christianity.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm a Christian.
You are just scared.
I'm a Christian.
Okay. I see. Kuti aiwa, you have confidence in what you are saying. Do you believe in God?
Yeah, I do believe in God.
Like, do you believe Kuti exists?
Yeah, you do exist. You live in me. Like,
do you believe in the Trinity? Like the Holy Spirit, the Father, the Son, what that stuff. Okay, let's leave it. Let's just leave that. That part. I think we will revisit it another day. But for today, let me not be put too much pressure on. Let's just talk about it. It is very, very interesting. Just wanted to ask. I don't know. This is more personal again.
Okay.
Are you like Tekken?
No, my personal stuff. I don't actually talk about myself, like personal stuff.
Okay,
I'm pushing.
I'll respect that. I'm pushing. So let's talk about the leaf.
Yeah.
Talking about the leaf. But I can tell you, if you wanna try your luck, you can get him. Okay. Aiwa.
I'm do I.
Alright, I
don't cheese.
Agwendo. No goes on. Aiwa, pose.
But my women no go draw my photo now. Yes, but
there's no one go to Jero can put out one. I'm going to
yeah, I don't know which ticket. So
people just rush, to say things that they don't have enough evidence. This is why I had to ask yourself, so I can get the answer from that. Anyway, you said you are going to tell us more as we go on. So right now, Shisha is saying let's concentrate more on the EP that is coming, on these singles that are coming. Then that's what we are going to be doing. So guys, I think we are almost about to close this segment. Shisha,
yeah,
what do you want to say to your fans out there, people who knew you like from school days, and they will be shocked to see how tall you have become and how ambitious you are, like you are trying to chase this dream of being a rapper. What do you want to tell them, like your old schoolmates and your new fans?
Yeah, what I want to say, they mustn't be surprised because I'm the one
the leaf.
So the leaf. So I want to say that my producers and I'm mushanda now, so I'm chimbono ita majira ndaita.
Can you mention them?
Like Shona Boy, what I say, there's another guy, Carbon Music from Norton, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ni wangu Martis and link now.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Like dango wauzochi mkomanadi aripo mkomana anakufa. Kwanza mmoja wangu ngwana ngaitoga wati mfesa kadi akatogara. Bari moezi. Sati shijaridi ariomega.
Aiwa.
Ariome.
Shijaridi. Ndinenge cactus ile.
Aiwa, izmaja.
Rose five Jerome Desert.
Bambuna remachire kuri. Shijari mwacha.
I think I came across it, but I'm not sure. Can you tell me more about that one?
Shishire mwacha kasekuno roshansi wa nyoroga. Roshansi wapita kaoma. Sisita rimbaje. Saka mashishe wakada ufana.
So you go right after that. How do you the territory raki?
Sai ndi tabia chichi.
Yeshijara kadaro iroro.
Sare mwacha ongesa naroga. Mepoza katoenda iri mbanje futi unotoriro wakakatuva topinda vachi mumudu iri beta
otopila highs
otopinda komishi.
Okay. But, yeah. So this was a very interesting interview we had today on our podcast. So before we leave, because our time is running out, is there last words that you would love to say? I don't know, maybe we might have missed something along the way. You can tell us.
Yeah, I just want to tell the people that the 3 single tracks is gonna be released end of this month, and I doubt vagara vakatenga data.
Yeah. Atinimana anozotanga
Yeah,
mhanya kudayo hanzi garai muri ready garai zvenyu zviri bo
kuti uzotsvaga data musi wa31 kakose mwezi kupera musi wa28 saka zviri izvi zvakaita saizvozvo kuti vagara vafana kusubscribe payoutube kwese vachingovakamirira patichinge tichiisa tida kubvisa kuti dambudzo ribude panzvimbo moona because dambudzo manje rakatora nzvimbo
hazvifambi zvakanaka
anenge atomawani
rinofana
kuti ripe
I get you
muupenyu hwedu saka dambudzo rakabva muupenyu that mean
zvinhu zvese zvinovhurika
mari yapo.
Okay guys, so that was Shija. Today one of the fastest rising rappers in South Africa, and he is waiting actually for his singles to come out. Then that's when you are going to hear kuti mukoma Shija vanoita nezvei Shija the rapper zvakamira say his lyrical depth, you know what I'm talking about, and what is inspiring him. So I think when you listen to the songs when they came out, you are going to get your answers, much of the answers that you didn't get today. And remember, we are going to bring him back again on this space, on this podcast. Then he will be taking, or we will be taking calls, so you can actually call him and tell us what you think about his singles. And if you have any advice for him, you can actually get the opportunity to talk to him live on air. Anyway, Shija, can you say bye to your fans?
Yo, my people, my beautiful people, I'm saying it was nice to have you here, and we're gonna see you next time. I'm promising you chafura yakazara chikafu.
Do you want to give us something like before we go, like a freestyle, another one, or I don't know, man.
Yeah, I don't know what food you are trying that.
Yes, you can bring it one more time.
Sata fire, so you do sata.
You can bring it one more time.
Yeah. Okay. Damn. It is a vice on the table bread. You never.
Give us something, man. Give us something. I know you can do it. I know you have some punchlines right behind those glasses. There is fire. There is the power of the leaf.
Yeah, it's like it is a vice on the table bread. You never provide even a slice. Coming there, your leaves with the dice, but all the things you do in life come with a price. In the past, they used to think twice, but in this hard life,
that was something else. That was epic. So what I know is this man doesn't want us to know much of the stuff because he has got an EP which is coming, and he wants us to be concentrating on that. Anyway, I'm really happy, my bro. You know, you coming up to this space and showing up, looking good like this. And I hope we are going to see something like a music video as well accompanying this EP. And I know that there will be hot girls.
Obvious.
When it comes to beaches, I like to swim. Okay guys, thank you so much. Until we meet again, my name is SGP, and can you give them your last shout out, man?
Yeah, your boy Shisha. We're gonna see you next time, guys. Don't worry, everything gonna be okay.